Now if you hear a continuous background sound in your iPhone of rain or some other noise, even if you lock the iPhone, then what you do is, at first you open the notification center. You need to make sure that there is no media playing in the background. Now after that, what you do is go to settings here, go to accessibility, go to audio visual, and if you see there is an option here, background sounds. If you enable this option, then in that case you heard rain playing in the background. Now that sound will play even if I lock the phone. So what you have to do is, you have to switch off this background sounds and the sound will be stopped. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.